In front of me is POCO X8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Privacy Protection. Now click on All Permissions here and tap on one of those features you want to manage, like camera. Following that, select an app under one of those categories. In case of camera, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with AliExpress from not allowed one. Finally, apply any of those options by tapping on the best one for you. In this case, camera access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Whatever you decided, when you finished, go back and your changes will be automatically applied. You can also pick any feature, tap on an app you are interested in, and instead of selecting those options, click on tiny text at the bottom. See all permissions. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!